Let's learn a few shots. It's choreographed by Whitehouse, McKeever, and Niels Poulsen. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn a few shots. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, and as we rock forward onto our right, you're going to bring your left foot up and behind your right. You're now going to recover onto your left foot. We're going to hitch our right knee up. We're going to make a figure 4 hitch with our right knee, so bringing that right foot to your left leg, bringing your knee up and around. You're now going to cross your right back behind your left and sweep your left from front to back. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder as you cross your left over your right to face 130. We're now going to rock and roll, so you're going to rock forward on your right foot, and as you do that, you're going to roll your body and your hip into this rock. So we're going to rock forward onto the right, you're going to have your upper body roll and recover, and then you're going to do it again, rock forward, roll, and recover. So you want to think upper body and hip is going with that rock, recover, rock, recover. You're now going to rock back onto your right foot, using it slightly as a prep, so you want to open your body to the right, recover onto your left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 730. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to return to 130. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rock forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, and up. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. As we step forward, you're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 730. We're now going to do a ball step, a sweep. So you're going to step your right next to your left. You're going to step forward with your left foot, and you're going to sweep your right from back to front, making an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. You're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, and as we do that, you're going to bring your right knee in. You're going to slightly bend both knees, bringing this right knee in, making a 1/4 turn over your left shoulder to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to bring your right hand forward like you're reaching out. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot and sweeping your left from back to front to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 twinkle steps. So you're going to cross your left over your right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. Cross your right over your left, rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, and recover onto your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight's on your left. We just finished into this 130 diagonal. You're going to do your step half pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Section 3. We're going to step forward with our left foot. As you step forward with your left, you're going to flick your right foot back. We're now going to step back with our right, and as we step back with our right, you're going to hook your left over your right shin. From here, we're going to step forward with our left foot. We're going to point our right toe to the right side, and as we point to the right, you're going to snap your right hand to the right side, and then snap your left hand to the left side. We're now going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left. Point your left toe to the left side, and then touch your left next to your right. We're going to do hip grind, so you're going to step your left foot to the left side. And as you do that, you're going to slightly bend your knees and dip down and come up. And then we're going to do the same thing to the right. Dip your knees down, put your weight onto your right, and drag your left into your right. From here, we're going to do a half mambo step. So you're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right. We're going to lock our left foot in and behind our right, step forward with your right, step forward with your left, and hitch your right knee forward. You want to do this step and hitch at the same time. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our twinkles. You're going to do your step flick. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Section 4, and our final section of the dance. We're going to step back with our right. As we step back with our right, you're going to drag your left heel into your right. Step back with your left, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, rocking your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, recover onto your left. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a half lock step back. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a half run, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to gradually make this half turn as you step left, right, left to face 9 o'clock, and then you'll be ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just hitched for 1. You're doing your big step back. It's 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and up. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rock with your foot lift. So it's rock forward with your lift, back figure 4 hitch, back sweep, behind side 8 cross. Now it's your rock and roll, rock back with your prep, recover, half step, half pivot, fall step 8 sweep, cross side behind quarter with your knee dip, reach forward, half sweep, twinkle, step flick, back hook, step point with your snap, step point touch. Now your hip grind with your drag, mambo, half step, lock, step, hitch, back drag, behind quarter rock, recover behind quarter, step, half pivot, half lock, step, back, half run. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rock with your foot lift. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. The dance is going to end facing 12 o'clock on your half run. So you'll end facing 12 o'clock without having to do any extra steps. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rock with your foot lift. So it's rock lift, back figure 4 hitch, back sweep, behind side 8 cross. Now it's your rock and roll, rock back, recover, half step, half pivot, ball, step 8 sweep, cross side behind, now your knee dip with your quarter turn, half sweep, twinkle, step flick, back hook, step point, snap, step point touch, now your hip grind with your drag, mambo half turn, step, lock, step, hitch, back heel drag, behind quarter rock, recover, behind quarter, step, half pivot, half lock, step back, half run, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and rock with your lift, back hitch, back sweep, behind side 8 diagonal. Now you're rock and roll, rock back, recover, half step, half pivot, ball step, 8 sweep, cross side behind quarter knee dip with your lift and your half sweep, twinkle, twinkle. Now it's your flick, back hook, step, point, snap, snap, step, point, touch, hip grind with your drag, mambo, half turn, step, lock, step, step, hitch, back drag, behind quarter rock, recover, behind quarter step, half pivot, half lock, step back, half run, run, run. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and then you will keep dancing until the song ends. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn a few shots. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
And I'm 2 sheets to the wind, trying to drown all of this pain. My baby left me. Just a few shots of whiskey, gonna help me to forget.